Stay homeboy six figures. Welcome to my six figures YouTube online academy. So in today's video is going to be very simple and direct. Yes. Here you're going to learn briefly, quickly how you can transfer your crypto asset to your custodial wallet. And for this class, we are using transferring your assets from Binance exchange to your Trust Wallet exchange. Okay, your Trust Wallet your Trust Wallet to your Trust Wallet, alright, which happen to be your custodian wallet. So that is it. So I believe by now you must have registered and verified your Binance account and also your Trust Wallet. So quickly, all you need to do first start, you have to understand that Binance is the sending account and your Trust Wallet is the receiving. So for you to send from Binance to Trust Wallet, you have to give the Binance a receiving Trust Wallet account. So quickly, all you need to do is to click your Binance. You log into your Binance. Like my own is automatically. Okay, so now this is it. This is your interface. What you are going to do now, you click wallet. When you click wallet above, after review, click spot. Now spot, here in spot, now you're going to see all your assets. Now I just have around $122 in this particular one. Okay, so now for the sake of this class, we want to transfer USDT. We want to transfer what? USDT. That's what we want to transfer to. That's the asset we want to transfer to our Trust Wallet. Now, you are going to come here and click withdrawal. Click withdrawal. Withdrawal here will show you all your assets too. Now, look at USDT is second to the last. Now, you click USDT since that is what we want to transfer to Trust Wallet. It will ask you send via crypto network. Select that one. It's going to create this form for you that you need to fill. How can you get this information? Minimize this. Come and look for your Trust Wallet app, which you must have installed. This is it. You click it, open, log in, and it's going to bring you to this dashboard. So remember, we want to transfer USDT asset to your Trust Wallet that happen to be your custodian. So you come down here, look at, now we have two USDT. We have the peg USD and we have the TAR. It's very important. Any which one you are choosing, you have to be sure. For this case, we are choosing the last one, the TAR. Click this TAR. So now we have sending and receiving. Here we are not sending, this account is receiving. Click receive. Now this is your what? Look at this trust one. Look at those long numbers mixed with an alphabet mixed with long number. This is your receiving account. Now just read what it is written there. Say send only TRC20 to this address. Sending any other coin may result to permanent loss. Take this note, it's very, very important. If you end up sending a wrong coin here, your asset is gone. So click copy. It have copy. We'll go back to our Trust Wallet. Where it is said address, you click here, then you paste that long address that is going to receive. Network. Let's look here. Network. It is here already. The network is TRC20. You come back here. Network, you click. We have BNB Beacon, we have BNB Smart Chain, we have Ethereum, TRC, Solana. Look at TRC20. This is what you need. Tron TRC20. Click it. Confirm. Now we want to withdraw $10. Okay. This is what we want to withdraw. $10. Now, this $10 we are going to what we end up getting is $9 because they will charge one USDT as what transfer fee. You go back, you verify your information, you are good to go. The next thing you click what? Withdraw. Now it's going to pop up this form for you to confirm your withdrawal. You check the network, you check the source, you check the charges, and you click what? Confirm. Now, it's going to ask you for your word, and it's going to send you verification. to your email, to your Gmail, to your email, to your phone number, and also your what? Your Google verification. Okay. So first thing we are going to do, you click send code to your what? You're going to send code. It will start counting. So you minimize, you come here, they'll send you text message. Look at it here. You copy, come here, paste it. Okay. The next thing is what? Your email. You click send to your email. You minimize. You come here. Where's my email? I'm trying to be fast. But you can just slow it down. Here's my email. Okay. Look at it here. Bingo. I open. This is the code. I copy, minimize. I paste. Then the last one is my Google Words. I have my Google. Look at it here. You click, open it, paste it. You see all this is submit. So look at what, look, this is my what? My receipt. System processing. Amount 10 USDT. Network TRC. Source spot wallet. Network fee is what? Is 1. So we are going to what? Minimize, come to your Trust wallet, where we are expecting. Okay, you can go back. We don't have anything yet, but you just wait. Bingo, look at it. Sharp, sharp, look at it. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The fifth one, you see $9. $9. So this is the simple way for you to transfer your asset from your Binance account to your Trust wallet. It's as simple as that. What we did here, you can do it for any other coin. You can do it for any other asset, be it Bitcoin, be it Shiba, be it Ethereum, any coin, any asset you can see here. All these assets, this is the same, is just the same principle. Okay, so this is it. If you find this video very helpful to you, um, kindly subscribe, click the like button, also click the notification button so that you'll be among my top list. So that anytime I drop value new content, you'll be among to what to be notified. So don't forget to subscribe and also drop your comment in the comment section below. Okay, thank you. See you in the next video.